Y'all, I gotta repot my plants before I even decide. I'm gonna water them. It's just, ugh. Let me show y'all. So these are thriving, obviously. It's coming out and everything. I thought I had enough pots. I'm gonna have to check and see. And then I have these over here. See, they're getting worse and worse. My little brother does come by and check on them. This is actually a little bit better than what it looked like before. My jade, on the other hand, he has a jade that he got for me that is thriving, and I think I'm gonna have to let this one die. We're using alcohol. It's probably not the best spot for the alcohol, but it's already been here. I got a little bunch left. So yeah, I'm afraid. You're gonna be over here like, man, just infecting everything. And then these two have always been in this corner, right? Why is this one also now producing those little white things? It's frustrating to hell. Frustrating. But this vlog is just me. I mean, I always say like I need to like do some kind of like reset, and I think it's just me doing different things in my apartment whenever I feel like it. Because I don't have anything to do, which is crazy. Like I feel overwhelmed with having things on my like my makeshift dining room table. Can you just see it? Yeah. What is this? I got this from Lowe's, okay? From Lowe's. I got my new tripod that I want to test out. So yay. I just don't have enough memory on my phone to get certain angles when I'm doing things, so that's gonna be weird. But overall, I like that I'm getting into my content creation bag. Hey, I'm getting like my little devices and stuff. Now I have 3 different kinds of tripods. I was able to use some of it on my trip to St. Croix, which I will be doing that vlog. And I guess I'm just gonna clean up today. You guys are gonna watch me. I know there isn't anything much to clean because I'm a clean person. But I do have dishes, okay? I have dishes. I can definitely do my bathroom today. So yeah, you guys are just gonna watch me do all that, and then of course edit a vlog. Hopefully, let's see how long this battery can last for, because I don't believe my other batteries are charged. It's another investment of mine. I think I'll do a video like that. All the things I've invested in so far, where I'm like, okay, hey, I'm thinking I'm just gonna post my videos because I'm bored, and I like it when other people post their videos, especially during the pandemic. Before the pandemic, I mean, I am older than YouTube, okay? At 33 years old, and I always liked doing videos, so I need to remind myself of that when I start feeling like, okay, you're being vain. Trauma, okay? Childhood trauma, that's where that comes from. So I never got to post my videos when I was younger. I'm gonna start posting my videos now. All right, this is my tablet. I started using this case that I got for my laptop, my HP. It's a 13-inch. So I'm just gonna go and make sure that I put this in there, because this is really so nice and soft and cushiony on the inside. I need to repurpose it, because things like this, where it's like good quality, I don't like throwing things out that I know I can repurpose. But I'm learning, especially being able to have like empty spaces in my home and having areas where I know I can just like walk past. I'm still trying to get my mom to invest in that mentality, because Lord, you grow up in a house where someone is always packing something and send something back home, you understand the gratitude of it. but also you realize that they don't technically have a space of their own because they weren't raised to have such a limited amount of space in an apartment area or in a house area. It's just always about having that abundance and being able to share it. They don't really know how to just like have a space that's theirs, that's nice and clear and open. I don't know. I think about that every once in a while, how it's just good to know that not being in an area that's cluttered is kind of frees your mind and helps you to have a non-cluttered mind, right? And think through things carefully whenever it's needed. Yeah. So let me go get the tablet for this. Y'all can come along with me. We're cleaning up today. Where's the tablet? Okay, it's over there. Alexa, play Audible.
Getting the selection from Audible. Resuming on Teach You to Be Rich.
Although a fund manager might be lucky for 1, 2, or even 3 years, it's mathematically unlikely that he'll continue beating the market. Almost certainly overpaying, and at worst, you're being scammed. I told him you're being overcharged, and with your income, the fees you pay will be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Or with his income, it would actually have been over $1 million over his lifetime. And finally, I told him you should move everything to a low-cost broker. You'll pay lower fees, and you'll get better performance. Now, when you do this, your advisor's going to
just poking you in your damn eye. give you an opportunity to have it.
Whoop.
I'm gonna. Once I spray out both sides, everything will look cute. Alright, so let's do some blush, and then we got to get the hell out of here because summertime white. Sad. That green blush took a piece of my freaking foundation to work. I don't know how the hell that happened. I didn't let it dry down enough because I'm in a rush. But one thing I am very good at is correcting a mistake. I don't harp on any mistakes. We just find a solution and we keep it going. And that's something like it's actually really good. I was having this conversation with somebody. I was like, okay. She's like, oh my God, I'm feeling so down. This didn't work. I give myself 1 day to be down. 24 hours. I got 24 hours to be sad. And then guess what? A solution still got to be made because all of this still going to rely on me. So, 24 hours to be sad. And then we got to find some type of solution. I mean, or you could just lay in misery. Like, who's there to save you? Like, I don't have a plot. I don't have a plot. Even if you type. Shit burns like hell. I feel like none of that open. Ooh! It burns like hell. Hell. Ooh. You keep typing in caps. Cappy. It's annoying. It's annoying. If you don't have bills to pay, lay in bed and cry about your past relationship. I actually have bills. So, some of y'all be crying over somebody that has done nothing for you. I give myself 24 hours. Bills must pay. Before this dries, use the Sephora Micro Smooth. It's amazing, 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 amazing.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to be winding down for now at this point in the video. I am journaling and writing out some content ideas. I am getting on my phone also to create some things that I want to put together and looking for different videos and stuff on my phone. So yeah, this is my end of my Saturday and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye for now.